Hello everyone. Today I will explain least cost method, right? Uh, how to do this, right? Uh, if you have exam or whatever the thing, they will provide this table, right? And you have to find the total cost. Okay, I will explain one by one what are the steps we can follow, right? Firstly, I will explain these things, right? I think you have the basic idea about there are three methods we are using. um, I already uploaded the northwest corner method. You can watch that video also. Then you can get better idea about that. Okay, anyway, you can use these steps to find the total cost. Uh, in these values, let explain these things. These each values indicates what I think you have the idea. Warehouse 1 to destination 1 transportation cost. If you want to deliver one item warehouse 1 to destination 1, this is the per unit transportation cost, right? Let's take the another example. 60, this value indicates warehouse 3 to destination 3 transportation cost per unit. Okay, remember this thing, per unit price, right? Per unit price. Let's take the example this 50, warehouse 2 to destination 2 per unit transportation cost, right? I think you all got better idea about that, right? Okay, in this case demand and supply uh, equal, right? And uh, when it comes to the practical world, this is not happen, right? Because sometimes supply higher than the demand, sometimes demand higher than the supply. In that case you can follow that the special thing, right? It's like you have to put the dummy column or dummy row if supply unbalanced to the demand, right? But in this question supply equals to the demand, therefore we can follow these methods, right? If you want to do that like that, supply and demand unequal question, put a comment, right? Then I can upload a video about that. Okay, let's start how to do the this these steps, right? How to do the this question. Firstly, you have to find the least cost in these values. In this case, you can see least cost is 10, right? I think you are clear, right, with that. Okay, this is the least cost. Then you can see warehouse 1 can supply 100 units. Therefore, we select we select this we select this cell, right? Because this is the least value, transportation value in this. In when we consider about these values, this is the least transportation cost. Therefore, we can put here 65, right? We can put here 65. Another thing is we can cross these cells also, because this destination 2 demand 65, that demand already fulfilled from warehouse 1. Therefore, we can cross these cells, right? Because demand already become, this demand becomes 0 because warehouse 1 supply this demand, fulfill that demand. Therefore, we can cross these cells because we don't want any units or products, right, for the destination 2. I think you take the better idea about that, right? Okay, then what we have to do, then you have to find the another lease value, right, using these numbers or you using these transportation costs. But I think 20, right? 20, yes. You can put here 35, right? 35, because this warehouse 1 can provide 100 units. Firstly it remaining 35, now it becomes 0 because warehouse 1 supply to destination 1 and destination 2. Therefore the supply already becomes 0, right? Therefore we can cross this cell because warehouse 1 unable to provide any products because that warehouse 1 already provided destination 1 and destination 2, 35 and 65. It means 100 units already provided, right? Therefore we can cross this cell also. Again we find the lease transportation value. What is the next lease transportation value using these values, remaining these four values? This one, right? What is the destination 3 demand is 60, right? 60, it means we can put here 60, right? You can take screenshot or whatever the thing, right? And I think if you note down this question and do with me, it's better to take the better idea, right? Now what happened, remaining 15, right? I think you clear about that because warehouse 2 provides 60 units, remaining 15, right? Remaining 15. And also destination 3, you can see destination 3 demand fulfill, right? Because destination 3 demand is 60. This 60 provided by warehouse 2, that demand already fulfilled. Therefore we don't want any products from any warehouse because warehouse 2 already provided all the products needed, right? Destination 3 demand is 60, that demand already fulfilled from warehouse 2. Therefore I cross this cell and I can, yeah, I cross this cell, right? This 60 becomes 0, right? Okay, now what we have to do is, now you can see again we have two transportation values, right? Now what is the lease one, this 50, right? Okay, how much remaining warehouse to 15, 15 products remaining warehouse 2, and also 50 units already have warehouse 3, right? Therefore I select this cell because least cell is this 50. uh, okay, I'll put 50 in here, right? Now this becomes also 0. How much? Now how much? 35 plus 15 means 50 units already provide to the destination 1, right? Now we have to fulfill 50 demand. That demand fulfill from this warehouse 3. Therefore I'll put 50 here. Okay, now all becomes, you can see, right? 35 plus 15, 50, 50 plus 50, 100, right? Destination 1, all demand already fulfilled, right? And also you can see that warehouse 3 provide 50 units, and also this becomes 0. This supply becomes 0 because of the warehouse 3 provide 50 units, right? Okay, now I think you all clear about with the table. Now you have to find the total cost, right? Total cost. Total cost. This total cost mean 35 unit 35 units multiply by this per unit price, per unit transportation cost. Therefore we multiply 35 multiply 20 plus 65 multiply from this 10, right? I'll put these numbers to find the total cost. 35 multiply 20 plus this, right? 35 multiply 20, 65 multiply 10, then 15 multiply 50, 50 multiply 90. You can follow this method, right, to find total cost. Okay, total 35, 65 multiply by 10 plus 60 multiply 40, 15 multiply, I use this row, right? 15 multiply by 50, 50 multiply 90 plus, yeah, I think that's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers. You can added all these, right? You can added all these values and you can find last answer is, I think, yeah, 9,000, right? Total cost. Initial basic feasible solution is 9,000, right? That's it about the least cost method. If you have any questions, you can put a message or comment, whatever the thing. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.